How to change TikTok text-to-speech voice. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change the TikTok text-to-speech voice. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the TikTok app and start posting a video in the same way that you normally would. Then, add in a text box you would like to be read out loud by the text-to-speech voice. Tap your text, then select text-to-speech. Now, check out the voice options that appear at the bottom. Tap a voice to hear what it sounds like, or download it. When you find one you like, leave it selected, then tap Done. Repeat these steps to enable text-to-speech on each of your text boxes you want read out aloud. You can select different voices for each text box if you wish. And that's all it takes to change TikTok text-to-speech voice. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.